Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so when next I drop my next videos, you can always watch them. Alright guys, so we're talking about how to create a mobile app for your Admob account and make some cool cash. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm going to learn how to create a mobile app and learn and earn some cool cash on your Admob account. So right now, without wasting much of our time, I'll be going straight to Chrome where I'll be using a website to create this app. Okay, it's going to be a website app. So I'll click on search and I'll search for Andromo. Okay, sorry, Andromo. Okay, so this is Andromo. And you click on enter. Okay, so come down. Okay, so you click on it, Andromo. Then once you get to the website here, don't forget if you don't have an account with them, you have to create an account with them to create an app with this website. Okay, so right now once you're done creating your account, then you click on create an app for free. Okay, you click on create an app for free. So let's wait while it loads. So once you get here, these are all templates you can use to create an app. Okay, these are all templates you can use to create an app. So on my next videos, I will show you guys how you can create an app with all these templates. Okay, and monetize it. So what I want to do in this video is I just want to show you guys how to create a website app from scratch with Android. Okay, so right now I'll click on here and I'll click on project. Okay, so it takes me straight to project. White loads. Okay, so once you get to project here, as you can see, you click on create a new project. Click on create a new project, then you give it a name. Let me give it project tech. Let me give it project tech. Sorry, project tech div. So click on create. Okay, so right now it brings me here. As you can see right here, there's something like components, is a theme, is a global style, there's settings, organization, service, and build. Okay, so these are all the tools you use to create this app. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, what I want to do is I want to bring in a website into this app. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is I'll scroll down, then you get your available components. As you can see, recommended, as you can see, photo gallery. These are if you want to add a photo to your app, you can do that. But I don't want to do any of that. Okay, I just want to bring in a website into this app so this app can have a content in it. Okay, so this is a website here and I'll click on it right now. I'll click on it. So right now it brings me right here. Okay, as you can see, this is name and this is a subtitle, but what I really need here is the content. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you click on the content. Okay, once you click on the content, as you can see, this is a website URL. Okay, you have to paste in the website URL into here. Once you paste in your website URL into here, then you automatically import in the website into your app. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll be going to search for your website. Okay, you can see this is uploaded. Probably I should just make it uploaded. Okay, so just click on it. Then you click on this copy sign right here. Don't forget you can make use of any website at all. It's not must to be uploaded. Any website, even if you have your own website, you can also use it to clone this app. Okay, so you click on down. So let me go back to Andromo. As you can see, I just copied uploaded URL right now. Then I'll be pasting it inside here. Okay, so once I paste it inside here, and what I need to do is just to click on save so that I can save what I just did right now. Okay, so you click on save, and that's all you just need to do. So once you've done that, what you need to do next is to modernize your app. Then you click on this modernization right here. You click on it. Then it brings you here. As you can see, this is app setting, this is Admob, this is Facebook or a network, audience network, this is Amazon mobile app. So you can use any of these ads network to modernize your app. Okay, it's not much, it was with Admob, but right now I'm just making use of Admob. Okay, so I'll click on Admob. So once you click on Admob, then you enable, then what you're going to do is you enable your Admob banner ads and you enable your interstitial ads as well. So That's what you need to do. So let me bring in my interstitial ads and banner ads. Okay, so this is my interstitial ad. You click on it, you copy it. Oh, sorry. Then you come to interstitial ads and paste it in there. Then we copy my banner right now. Copy my banner ads 67. We copy my banner ads and okay, sorry, banner ads. Okay, and paste it in there. So right now I'll be copying my app ID. So if anyone is telling you he wants to create an app for you and he's not making use of an app ID, it's not as if your app ID, I don't think that person is a developer, okay? Because there's no way you're going to create an Admob and you're going to monetize an app without an app ID. It's not possible, okay? You have to have an app ID. So to identify that's your account. That's what this app ID is initially made for, okay? So then you click on app ID and paste it right there. So the next thing is Admob privacy URL. Okay, I have it here already. Okay, so just copy and paste it in here as well. Okay, so these are all you just need to do. Okay, then what am I missing? Oh, sorry, not in test ID. It should be in your Admob privacy URL, not test ID. Sorry. Okay, let me delete this to avoid confusion. Then you click on save again. So once you click on save, then you come to build. So once you get to build, you do what? Then you just click on build your app. Okay, so as you can see right now, the app is building. This can take as it depends on how your network is. If you're having a good network, then it should be downloading very fast. But if your network is kind of bad, as I say, it does depends on your network. But initially it takes up to 5 minutes. If you're having a good network, at least 2 or 3 minutes should be getting your app. Let me click on refresh. Let me see if it has built. If it has built, then just run the app. And so as you can see, it's still building. So I'll be posting the video. So once it has done building, I'll be playing it back. So alright guys, as you can see now, the app is done building. This took about 5 minutes. So right now, I'll be downloading the app. Okay, I'll be downloading the app to the phone and okay. I'll open it. So I want to show. Let me just show you here that the app is really running ads. Okay, then click on install. As you can see, OG Tech Dev. That's the name of the app. Then you open. But don't forget, if you need an Admob app, you can just let me know. Okay, if you need a standard app, you can let me know on the comment below. So as you can see right here below, this is banner ad showing below. So alright guys, so you can see the app is working perfectly fine. So if I click on here right now, as you can see, this is an interstitial ads popping out in the app. So this is working perfectly fine. Okay, so you click on this. So let me just show you guys as you can see, this is WAP loaded. You just brought in WAP loaded into your app. So even if you have your own app, your own website, you can also import it into your app and make it of it like this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. So if you want to get more video on Admob, follow me up to always get more videos. I'll be dropping on how to create a standard app for Admob, okay, and upload it on Play Store very soon. Okay, I'm a developer, so if you want to get an app, just let me know on the comments below, and I'll drop my number if you need my help, or probably on your Admob account issue or any other issue on app. Just let me know as well. Alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. Peace out.